always been my day one. Day zero when I was no one. I'm nothing but myself,